lovely kids. This is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Olympiad Maths Class 7 by Galaxy Publication. So let's start Chapter 3 Decimals. Fractions with denominators 10, 100, 1000, etc. are known as decimals. A decimal or decimal number consists of two parts, whole part and decimal part, which is separated by a decimal point. Okay, the number on the left side of decimal is called whole part, and the number formed by the digits at the right side of decimal is called decimal part. See the number like 87 decimal 467. So this is the whole part and this is the decimal part. So we have learned about decimal numbers in our previous classes. Let us have a look at the following place value table to recall what we have studied. So here we have place value table, ones, thousands, lakh. So ones, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Now here we have decimal point, and after decimal we have 1/10, then 100, 1000. 1/10 means 1 upon 10, 100 means 1 upon 100 and 1000 means 1 upon 1000. Let us write the number in the decimal form given its place value expansion. The number 9 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 5 into 1 plus 3 into 1 by 10 plus 2 into 1 by 100 in its decimal form is shown in the following place value table. So here we can write place value table ones, tens, hundreds, then 1/10, 100 and then 1000 like this. So here now write this number in the place value table. So 900, so 9 here, 6 tens, so 6 here, 5 ones, so 5 here, and 3 tenths, so 1/10 पे आ जाएगा 3 and 100 पे आ जाएगा आपका 2, right? So number is 965.32. The number 965.32 is read as 965.32. Okay. Now expanded form of decimals. Now let us do the reverse. That is given a decimal number. Let us write it in expanded form. Like here 5487.205. So that is equal to 5 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 7 into 1 plus 2 into 1 by 10, then 0 into 1 by 100 plus 5 into 1 by 1000. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Now example 1, write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. So here A part 7.28. So what will you write? 7 into 1 plus 2 into 1 by 10 plus 8 into 1 by 100. Now B part 700.03. So 7 into 100, these are 0, 0, no need to write it. Now after decimal 0, so leave it. Now 3 is at 100th place, so plus 3 into 1 by 100. Now C part 8.734. So 8 into 1 plus 7 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100 plus 4 into 1 by 1000. Okay. Now example 2, write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. A part 42.76. So what is the place value of 2? That is 2 only. It is at 1's place, so its value is 2 only. B part 27.85. 2 is at 10's place, so its value is 20, 20. C part 17.24. So 2 is at 10th place, so its value is 2 into 1 by 10 means 0.2. Okay. Now D part 81.642. 2 is at 1000th place. So here 2 into 1 upon 1000 means 0.002, right? Now decimal places. The number of decimal places is the number of digits on the right of the decimal point. For example, the number of decimal places in this number 27.834. Here after decimal we have 3 digits. So this is 3 decimal places. Okay. Now like decimals, the decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. For example, 171.8, 42.2. दोनों numbers में after decimal we have one digit. Okay. So these are like decimals. Okay. Now 0.973 and 8149.101. इन दोनों numbers में decimal के बाद we have 3 digits means 3 decimal places. Okay. Now unlike decimals, the decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. For example, 12.5, 12.52 and 12.527, these are unlike decimals because इस number में after decimal we have 1 digit, here we have 2 digits, here we have 3 digits. तो सब में different number of places हैं, that's why these are unlike decimals. अब हम unlike decimals को like decimals में change कर सकते हैं. How? See, unlike decimals like 0.5, 0.50, 0.500 are equal as writing or removing zeros at the extreme right of the decimals does not change its value. Okay. So we will do this one, how we can change unlike decimals into like decimals later on. So first this point like 0.5 है या 0.50 है या 0.500 है, इनकी वैल्यू सेम है. ओके. नाउ सी कंपैरिजन ऑफ डेसिमल्स. फॉर कंपेयरिंग टू डेसिमल नंबर्स वी फॉलो द गिवन स्टेप्स. स्टेप 1, कंपेयर द होल नंबर पार्ट्स फर्स्ट. सबसे पहले हम होल नंबर पार्ट्स को कंपेयर करेंगे. द नंबर हैविंग द ग्रेटर होल नंबर पार्ट इज ग्रेटर. इफ द होल नंबर पार्ट इज सेम देन प्रोसीड टू स्टेप 2. फिर हम स्टेप 2 पे आएंगे. हम क्या करेंगे? देन कंपेयर द 10th पार्ट्स ऑफ द decimal. The number having the greater 10th part is greater. If the 10th part is also same, then we will follow step 3. Step 3 में क्या है? Compare their 100th parts and so on till one of them is different. So the number having the first greater part is greater. See how to compare. Example 3, which is greater, A part 14.998 or 15.001. So see the whole part, this is 14, this is 15. So of course 15 is bigger than 14, that's why second number is greater. Now B part 3.02, 3.20. Now whole part same, 3 same. Now compare 10th part. This is 0, this is 2. And you know 2 is greater than 0. So 3.20 is greater than 3.02, right? Now the next is C part 2.684 or 2.681. Whole part compare करेंगे, same है. 10th part compare करेंगे, 6, it is also same. Come to 100th part, 8, it is also same. Come to next part, 1000, this is 4, this is 1. You know 4 is greater than 1. So that's why the first number 2.684 is greater than 2.681. Very easy. Now money. To buy or sell anything, we want money. It comes in the form of currency, notes or coins. The Indian currency is rupees. This is the symbol, right? We know that 100 paise makes 1 rupee. To convert rupee into paise, we multiply the number of rupees by 100, and to convert paise into rupees, we divide the number of paise by 100. See here, 100 paise equals to rupee 1. So 1 paise equals to 1 upon 100 means 0.01 rupee. Okay. So 1 paise equals to rupees 1 upon 100. Now length. In the metric system of measurement, the standard unit of length is meter. In daily life, we also use another unit of length, that is kilometer, for measuring large distances. We know that 100 centimeters make 1 meter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So to convert meters into centimeters, we multiply meters by 100, and to convert centimeters into meter, we divide it by 100. See, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equals to 1 upon 100 meter means 0.01 meter. Now we are talking about mass. When you weigh something, you actually find its mass, its weight. In the metric system of measurement, the standard unit of mass is kg, kilogram. It is the most commonly used unit which we use in our daily life. We know that 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. To convert kilogram into gram, we multiply kilogram by 1000, and to convert grams into kilogram, we divide grams by 1000. So 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So 1 gram equals to 1 upon 1000 kg means 0.001 kg. While dealing with problems involving money, length or mass, we must ensure that all the units are same. In other words, if in a problem different units are given, we first convert them into the same units and then proceed. For example, if in a question meter, kilometer and decimeter are used to represent length, then we should first convert all of them into same unit and then start solving the question. Now example 4, express as rupees using decimals, like A part 28 paise. So 28 divided by 100, so this becomes rupees 0.28. Now B part 425 paise, so divide by 100, so this becomes rupees 4.25. Now C part 106 rupees and 88 paise. So 106 rupees as it is, 88 पैसे को हम convert कर देंगे rupees में, 88 upon 100, so this becomes 106.88 rupees. Okay. Now example 5, A part express 9 centimeter in meter and kilometer. So first we must know the units, we must know the relation between meter and centimeter. We know 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 9 centimeter को meter में लाने के लिए 9 upon 100. So this becomes 0.09 meter. Okay. अब हम क्या करेंगे, 9 centimeter को kilometer में लाना है. So what to do is meter को हम convert कर देते हैं kilometer में. So divided by 1000. So this is 0.00009 kilometer. The next B part express 65 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. So we know very well 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So 65 millimeter equals to 65 upon 10 centimeter means 6.5 centimeter. फिर इस सेंटीमीटर को हम मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर दें, डिवाइड बाय 100 कर दें, we are getting 0.065 meter. Now convert meter into kilometer divided by 1000. So we are getting 0.000065 kilometer. I hope this is clear to you, very easy and interesting. Now example 6, express the following in kg. A part 6870 gram. So gram को kg में कैसे convert करेंगे, divide by 1000. So answer is 6.870 kg. Because नीचे 30 है तो हम decimal कहाँ लगाएंगे, 3 digit से पहले. So answer is 6.870 kg. The next is B part 42 kg and 8 gram. So 42 kg as it is, 8 gram को हम convert कर देंगे kg में, means 8 upon 1000 kg. So this becomes 0.008. Now add it. So answer is 42.008 kg. Now C part 3598 milligram. So milligram को हम first convert कर दे gram में, divide by 1000. So this is 3.598 gram. अब इसको हम convert कर दे kg में, again divide by 1000. So this is the answer. Okay. Now the next we are talking about addition and subtraction of decimals. Following steps are used for addition and subtraction of decimals. Step 1. Convert the given decimals to be added or subtracted to like decimals. पहले हम क्या करेंगे, like decimals में convert करेंगे if decimals are unlike. Now step 2, write decimal numbers one below the other in such a way that the decimal point of each number of exactly below the number above. Okay. Now step 3, now add or subtract as we do in whole numbers, and then step 4, place the decimal point in the answer directly below the other decimal point. Now see example 7 here. Sham bought 6 kg 300 gram apples and 4 kg 250 gram mangoes. Sarla bought 4 kg 800 gram orange and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. So who bought more fruits? So apples bought by Sham 6 kg 300 gram. से हम kg में convert कर दें. So 6 plus 300 upon 1000 means 6.3 kg. Now mangoes bought by Sham, that is 4 kg 250 gram. So here 4 plus 250 upon 1000 means 4.25 kg. Now total fruit bought by Sham, इन दोनों को हम ऐड कर देंगे. 6.3 plus 4.25 कैसे लिखेंगे? 6.30 plus 4.25. So this is 10.55 kg, right? The next, orange bought by Sarla 4 kg 800 gram means 4.8 kg. Bananas bought by Sarla 4 kg 150 gram, it means 4.15 kg. So total fruit bought by Sarla, इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे 8.95 kg. Now do comparison, who bought more? Sham bought more fruits. Okay. Now example 8. By how much is the sum of 23.12 and 19.015 greater than their difference? इन दोनों का sum, इन दोनों के difference से कितना ज़्यादा है? यानी first of all find the sum of these two numbers. इन दो numbers को हम add करेंगे. 23.12 plus 19.015. So write it like this. So what we are getting? 42.135. Now find their difference. इन दोनों को minus करेंगे. So minus कर देंगे, that is 4.105. अब जो sum है वो difference से कितना ज़्यादा है, comparison करना है. It means अब हम क्या करेंगे? दोनों को minus कर देंगे, sum में से difference को minus कर देंगे. So that is 38.030. So hence the sum is 38.03 more than the difference. Okay. Now exercise 1 based on such type of examples like question number 1, express the following in rupees. Like B part 75 rupees 57 paise. So 75 rupees as it is plus 57 पैसे को हम convert कर देंगे rupees में. 57 upon 100. So what will you get? Rupees 75.57. Okay. Now question number 2, convert the following from smaller unit to bigger unit. Means like here C part 40 millimeter in meter. So you know 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeter. So 40 millimeter means 40 divided by 1000. So answer is 0.04 meter. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. The third one, express the following in kg. Like B part 5 kg 380 gram in kg. So 5 kg as it is plus 380 divided by 1000. This is kg. So what will you get? 5.38 kg, right? Okay. Now the next here, fourth question, write the following decimals in expanded form. Like B part, so how you will write it? 400 plus 3 into 1030 plus 7 into 1 plus 9 into 1 by 10 plus 8 into 1 by 100. So this is the expanded form. Okay. Now sixth question, Anju bought 2 kg 250 gram potatoes, 1 kg 300 gram cabbage, 1 kg 450 gram peas, 2 kg 670 gram onions and 275 gram ginger. Now Manju bought 3 kg 10 gram onions, 1 kg tomato, 560 gram grapes, 1 kg 780 gram papaya and 1 kg 655 gram apples from a fruit and vegetable store. So who bought more in terms of quantity and by how much? Then total weight of vegetables and fruits bought by Manju, इन सबको ऐड कर देंगे. Then do the comparison. Okay, किसने ज़्यादा परचेज किया, right? Now the next we are talking about multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 or 1000, etc. When a decimal number is multiplied by 10, 100 or 1000, the digits in the product remain the same as in the decimal number, but the decimal point in the product shift to the right by as many places as there are zeros after 1. अगर हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो डेसिमल हम शिफ्ट कर देंगे आफ्टर 1 डिजिट टुवर्ड्स राइट. ओके, अगर हम 100 से करेंगे तो 2 प्लेसेस, एंड अगर हम 1000 से करेंगे देन 3 प्लेसेस. सी A part, when a decimal number is multiplied by 10, the decimal point is shifted to the right by 1 place. B part, when a decimal number is multiplied by 100, the decimal point is shifted to the right by 2 places. And C part, when a decimal number is multiplied by 1000, the decimal point is shifted to the right by 3 places. Okay. Now example 9. A car covers a distance of 25.78 kilometer in 1 kg of CNG. How much distance will it cover in 10 kg of CNG? So more distance, it means multiply. So distance covered by car in 1 kg of CNG is 25.78 kilometer. So distance covered by car in 10 kg of CNG multiply by 10. So 257.8 kilometer. Decimal हम shift कर देंगे after 1 digit right side. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now example 10, find the following. Like A part 5.6 into 10, decimal हम उधर ले जाएंगे, it becomes 56. B part 354.8 into 10, decimal आ जाएगा 8 के बाद, यानी 3548. Now C part 682.09 into 100, डेसिमल हम शिफ्ट कर देंगे आफ्टर 2 डिजिट यानी 9 के बाद. सो दिस इज द आंसर, राइट. नाउ डी पार्ट 52.4 into 100. अब हमें डेसिमल लगाना है 2 डिजिट के बाद, लेकिन हमारे पास तो 1 डिजिट है तो हम लगा देंगे 0. सो 5240. नाउ ई पार्ट 186.1 into 100. So decimal we have to shift after 2 digits, but we have 1 digit after decimal, so we have to put 10. So answer is this one. Okay, 18610. Now here F part 73.04 into 100. So 7304. The next one G part 0.83 into 100, decimal आ जाएगा 3 के बाद, means 83. Now H part 0.08 into 1000, we have to shift decimal after 3 digit, but we have 2 digit, तो हम एक 0 लगा देंगे, it becomes 80. I hope this is clear to you. The next, multiplication of a decimal number by a whole number. In order to multiply a decimal number by a whole number, follow these steps. Step 1. Multiply the decimal number by the given whole number, ignoring the decimal point. First आप simply multiply कर दो, just don't bother about the decimal point. Then step 2, count the number of digits starting from the extreme right digit to the left and put the decimal point at the place equivalent to the number of decimal places that are in the given decimal number. फिर जो product होगा जहाँ पे हमें decimal point लगाना है, जो decimal number में decimal point जितने digit से पहले है उतने ही digit से पहले हम decimal point को लगा देंगे. See here example 11. Evaluate A part 0.7 into 8. So just multiply 7 and 8. You know 7 8s are 56. Okay. अब हमारे पास decimal point जो है वो before 1 digit है. So answer में क्या आ जाएगा 5.6. Okay. Then B part 2.15 into 5. 215 और 5 को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे सिंपली जैसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो वी आर गेटिंग 1075. अब डेसिमल पॉइंट हमारा 2 डिजिट से पहले है, सो व्हाट टू डू, वी हैव टू पुट द डेसिमल पॉइंट बिफोर 2 डिजिट्स फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट. ओके, देन सी पार्ट 15 into 81.09, हम क्या कर देंगे 8109 को 15 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, सो वी आर गेटिंग दिस वैल्यू. नाउ पुट द डेसिमल पॉइंट, डेसिमल हमारा 2 डिजिट से पहले है, सो पुट द डेसिमल हेयर बिफोर 3. ओके, सिमिलरली डी पार्ट 3 into 0.701, सो व्हाट टू डू, 701 को हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 3 से, सो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग 2103. Now decimal is before 3 digit, so answer is 2.103, right? I hope these are clear to you. Now example 12, if 1 kg of full cream milk contains 0.418 kg of fat, how much fat is there in 20 kg of milk? अगर 1 kg में इतना फैट है 0.418 kg, तो 20 kg मिल्क में कितना फैट होगा, मोर मल्टीप्लाई. सो क्वांटिटी ऑफ फैट इन 1 kg ऑफ प्योर मिल्क इज 0.418 kg. सो क्वांटिटी ऑफ फैट इन 20 kg ऑफ प्योर मिल्क मल्टीप्लाई बाय 20, सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, फिर डेसिमल लगा देंगे बिफोर 3 डिजिट, सो आंसर इज 8.36 kg, right? Now the next, multiplication of decimal number by another decimal number. So in order to multiply two decimal numbers, follow these steps. Simply पहले आपने multiply करना है. Step 1, multiply the decimal numbers after ignoring the decimal point, that is multiply them as whole numbers. Now step 2, for the position of decimal in the product, count the number of digits starting from the extreme right digit to the left and put the decimal point at the place equivalent to the sum of the decimal places that are in the given decimal numbers. Okay, let's do the question, it would be clear to you. Example 13, find a part 3.2 into 0.7. So first what will you do, आप क्या करेंगे 32 multiply by 7 कर देंगे. So what we are getting 224. Okay, we are getting 224. अब हमें decimal point कहाँ लगाना है, see, in this number decimal is before 1 digit, here decimal is before 1 digit, so total is decimal before 2 digits, so answer is 2.24. Okay, now B part. Now this number 2.001 has 3 digits to the right of decimal point, that is it has 3 decimal places, and 1.1 has 1 decimal places, so total is 3 plus 1 is 4. यानी प्रोडक्ट में हम क्या करेंगे 4 डिजिट से पहले डेसिमल लगा देंगे, so 1 2 3 4, so answer is 2.2011, right? Now see the C part, 0.1 into 0.03 means 1 and 3. 1 और 3 को multiply करेंगे, we will get 3 only. Now here decimal is before 1 digit, 1 decimal place, and this is 2 decimal places, total 1 plus 2 3. यानी हमें 3 digit से पहले decimal लगाना है, but we have 1 digit, तो हम 0 लगा देंगे, एक और 0 लगा देंगे, and then decimal point. Okay, so answer is 0.003. I hope these are clear to you, very interesting. Now exercise 2, based on such type of example, see question number 1, find like E part 221.567 into 100. So what to do, we are multiplying by 100, so we have to shift decimal towards right after 2 digits. It means answer is 22156.7, 22,156.7, right? Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now question number 2, evaluate like B part 0.3567 multiply by 1000. अब हम 1000 से multiply कर रहे हैं, 3 zeros है, so we have to shift decimal towards right after 3 digits. So what is answer? Answer is 356.7. I hope this is clear to you. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to question number 3. Find the product. Now see part 3.1009 into 18. यानी इन दोनों नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, अभी हम डेसिमल पॉइंट नहीं लगाएंगे। देन वॉट एवर द रिजल्ट, उस रिजल्ट में क्या करेंगे, बिफोर 4 डिजिट्स वी हैव टू पुट द decimal point. I hope you can try remaining parts. Similarly, fourth question you can try on your own. Now the sixth one, what will be the area of a rectangle of length 12.25 meter and breadth 7.35 meter? We know area of rectangle is length into breadth. तो इन दोनों को हम multiply कर देंगे. That would be the answer. So area is square meter, right? Now the eighth one, if the cost of 1 kg basmati rice is rupees 61.95, then find the cost of 21.5 kg of basmati rice. So it would be more. तो इसमें भी हम क्या कर देंगे, इन दोनों को multiply. So cost of 1 kg rice is rupees this, and cost of 21.5 kg rice 61.95 multiplied by 21.5. Now the next we are talking about division of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000 etc. अब हम जब divide करेंगे then what to do, we have to shift decimal towards left side. Multiply में हम decimal shift करते हैं towards right side. Here division में we have to shift decimal towards left side. See, we observe while dividing a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000 etc. the digits of the number and the quotient remains the same, but the decimal point in the quotient shifts to the left by as many places as there are zeros after 1. So, like A part, on dividing a decimal number by 10, the decimal point is shifted to the left by 1 place. So, like 28.3 divided by 10, it becomes 2.83, right? The next one, on dividing a decimal by 100, the decimal point is shifted to the left by 2 places, like 28.3 divided by 100. So answer is 0.283, right? Now the next, on dividing a decimal by 1000, the decimal point is shifted to the left by 3 places, that is 28.3 divided by 1000. So what will you get? You will get 0.0283, right? I hope these are clear to you. Now see example 14. Find the product. A part, 372.23 divided by 10. So what to do? Decimal हम shift कर देंगे towards left before 2. Answer is 37.223. Now the B part, 62.5 divided by 10. So now decimal is going towards left before 1 digit. So 6.25. Now C part, 0.3 divided by 10. Now decimal is going towards left by 1 digit. So here 0, so it becomes 0.03. So I hope these are clear to you. Now come to example 15. Now A part, 740.8 divided by 100. Now what to do? Shift decimal towards left side before 2 digit. Yani answer is 7.408. Now B part, 33.6 divided by 100. Decimal हम ले जाएंगे left side before 2 digits. So answer is 0.336, right? Now the C part, 0.76 divided by 100. Now decimal is going towards left before 2 digit. हमारे पास यहाँ पर कोई भी digit नहीं है. So we are writing 001220. So 0.0076. Now we are coming to example 16. Find A part, 26.3 divided by 1000. So we are shifting decimal towards left before 3 digit. यहाँ पर 2 digit है तो हम एक 0 लगा देंगे. So this becomes 0.0263. Now B part, 741.3 divided by 1000. So decimal is going towards left before 3 digit. So answer is 0.7413. Now the C part, 0.8 divided by 1000. Now decimal is going towards left before 3 digit. तो हम 3 zeros लगा देंगे. So what will you get? 0.0008, right? Now come to next. We are talking about division of a decimal number by a non-zero whole number. In order to divide a decimal number by a non-zero whole number, follow these steps. Step 1. Divide the decimal number means dividend by the whole number ignoring the decimal point. Now step 2, when the division of whole number part of the dividend is complete, put the decimal point in the quotient and proceed further with the division the way we perform in whole numbers. See some examples. Example 17, divide a part 19.81 by 7. So what to do? It means 19.81 hai, we are removing here decimal, so we are getting 100. So what we are getting? We are getting 1981 upon 7 into 1 by 100. So what we can do? इस नंबर को हम 7 से डिवाइड कर दें. वी आर गेटिंग 283 डिवाइड बाय 100. सो आंसर इज 2.83. और इसको हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं 19.81 डिवाइड बाय 7. 7 2 जा 14. नाउ डेसिमल पार्ट स्टार्ट. सो डेसिमल हम लगा देंगे क्वोशिएंट में. नाउ टेक द नेक्स्ट नंबर. हेयर माइनस करेंगे. वी आर गेटिंग 558. 7 8 जा 56, राइट. माइनस कर देंगे. देन वी आर गेटिंग 2 हेयर. नाउ टेक नेक्स्ट डिजिट 21. 7 3 जा 21. सो आंसर इज 2.83, राइट. Now come to B part. 0.364 divided by 7. Remove decimal point. 364 upon 1000 divided by 7. 7 से इसको कट कर देंगे. We are getting 52 upon 1000. Answer is 0.052. और how we can do it? 0.364 divided by 7. So 0 है तो यहाँ पर 0 लगा देंगे. Now decimal part start. So decimal point in quotient. Now take next number 3. 3 is not divisible by 7. तो यहाँ पर 0 लगा देंगे quotient में. Now take the next digit. It becomes 36. 7 5 are 35, right. Minus करेंगे 1. Next digit 4. 7 2 are 14. So answer is 0.052. So you can do by any way whatever you like. Now example 18. Evaluate a part. 0.6 divided by 2. So now we move decimal. 6 upon 10 divided by 2. So 6 upon 10 into 1 by 2. 2 से कट कर दे 6. 3 by 10 means 0.3, right. Now B part. 2.84 divided by 4. Remove decimal. 284 upon 100 divided by 4. So now we can write 284 upon 100 into 1 by 4. 4 से कैंसिल कर देंगे. वी आर गेटिंग 71 अपॉन 100 मीन्स 0.71. नाउ द नेक्स्ट सी पार्ट. 851.2 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. रिमूव डेसिमल. 8512 upon 10 divided by 4. We are getting this one. Now cut it by 4. We are getting 2128 upon 10 means 212.8. Now the next, division of a decimal number by another decimal number. In order to divide a decimal number by another, follow these steps. Step 1. Convert the divisor into a whole number by multiplying the divisor and dividend by 10, 100 or 1000, etc. Now step 2. Now proceed as we divide a decimal number by a non-zero whole number. See example 19. Divide a part 0.5 by 0.25. तो डिवाइजर का जो डेसिमल पॉइंट है उसको हम रिमूव कर देंगे. सो हाउ वी कैन डू इट? सो 0.5 अपॉन 0.25. सो 0.25 को हम कर देंगे मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 और हमें ऊपर भी 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. सो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग? वी आर गेटिंग 50 अपॉन 25. सो आंसर इज 2, राइट. नाउ देयर इज वन मोर मेथड. 0.5 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.25. दोनों के डेसिमल पॉइंट रिमूव कर देंगे. 5 अपॉन 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 25 अपॉन 100. नाउ व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग? Answer is 2. So now first write 19.1484 divided by 3.24. Now 3.24 को हमें decimal point हटाना है. So what to do? Multiply by 100. So multiply by 100. So what we are getting? In numerator we are getting this number divided by 324. अब divide कर देंगे. We are getting 5.91. और द अदर वे हम दोनों नंबर्स के डेसिमल पॉइंट रिमूव कर दें. फर्स्ट नंबर का डेसिमल पॉइंट रिमूव करेंगे. वी आर गेटिंग 10,000 इन द डिनोमिनेटर डिवाइडेड बाय 324 अपॉन 100. डिवीजन चेंज करेंगे मल्टीप्लाई में. 100 को ऊपर ले जाएंगे, 324 नीचे. Now cut the zeros and now cut the numbers. So what is the answer? Answer is 5.91. Now example 20, a truck covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 hours. So how much distance will it cover in 1 hour? तो 1 hour में distance कम cover होगी. So what to do? Distance covered in 2.4 hours equals to 43.2 km. So in 1 hour, divide 43.2 divided by 2.4. So remove decimal, we are getting 432 upon 10 into 10 upon 24. 10 cancel. Now cut the numbers. Answer is 18 km. Now exercise 3, based on such type of example, see question number 1. Now B part 43.78 divided by 10. So what will you get? Shift decimal towards left. So 4.378. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the question number 2, divide the following, like here C part 1.0356 divided by 100. So decimal shift towards left before 2 digits. So answer is 0.010356. Right? Now similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the third question, evaluate the following, like here B part 384.734 divided by 1000. So shift decimal towards left before 3 digits. So 0.384734 is the answer, right? Now come to next fourth question here. C part 14.0784 divided by 14. So simply जैसे हम division करते हैं numbers में, so simply divide it by 14. Okay, so you can try this one, like 14 ones are 14. Now decimal part starts, so decimal point here. Now take next digit, so 0 as it is, then 7, then again 0, then take 8, okay, so like this, then 14 5s are 70, okay, then 8 and next digit 4, 14 6s are 84, so answer is 1.0056, okay. So similarly you can try remaining parts. Same fifth question you can try on your own. Now see here, seventh question, how many ice cream cones can be filled from 10.5 liters of ice cream? If one cone can be filled with 35 ml of ice cream, कितने कोन्स बन सकते हैं अगर टोटल इतनी आइसक्रीम्स हैं और एक कोन में हम 35 ml आइसक्रीम को फिल कर रहे हैं? So number of cones, how we can find it out? 10.5 liter divided by 35 ml. First of all, units must be same. So convert liter into milliliter. 10.5 multiplied by 1000. Now divided by 35. So remove decimal. So cut it by 35. So 3 into 100 means 300 cones, right? Similarly, you can try remaining questions. Now this is the time of mental math. Question number 1, filling the blanks. Like here, E part, the number of digits in the decimal part of 5.68 into 3.222 is. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कितने डेसिमल प्लेसेस आएंगे? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5. Answer is 5. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now question number 2, write T for true and F for false. Okay. So here, like D part 2, unlike decimal numbers can never be equal. So this statement is wrong because two unlike numbers can be equal. Like here 2.05 or 2.050. These are unlike but their values are same. So similarly, you can try remaining parts. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day and take care.